it's your girl Paula Marie, aka the Ebony Biz Diva, and this is your 2-minute Tuesday tip. So let's get into it. Today we're going to talk about that funnel, okay? That all bodacious thing that gets your list popping and attracts the real clients that are checking for the goods and services that you're delivering out here in these internet streets. There are 3 rules that I want you to follow when it comes to setting up this funnel nice and easy. Number 1, you have to make sure that you're delivering value. Let me say it again, value. You need to make sure that what you're offering solves a problem, gives a solution, and makes their lives effortless, right? So you want to make sure you are making that happen. Also, number 2, I want you to make sure that you are creating a system where not only you're able to receive that email address on your list, but you're able to deliver the goods that you said you were going to deliver, okay? Don't have your people sitting by their email waiting for you to manually send stuff out to them. I'm going to need you to get your whole entire organizational lives together and automate that thing. So make sure whatever system you have, once they submit that email to you, it automatically like floats onto your list, right? And it would be amazing if it was automatically tagged and segmented, but that's a whole nother video, honey. So we'll have to get into that later. And then number 3, don't ghost your people, okay? Like once they get on your list, talk to them. Talk to the people, okay? If they opted in for something on your list, then they probably may be interested in something else. Now, don't sell to them all quick, fast, and willy-nilly. Like you gotta date them a little bit, right? So that you don't ghost your people, okay? It's nothing worse than finding somebody that you think is gonna be the answer to what you need, and then you get on their list and then it's just crickets, honey. Ain't nobody got time for that. Okay, so listen, that was the 2-minute Tuesday, and I've got a link down below for ConvertKit if you need help on getting that email automation together. In the next video, we're actually going to be setting up that lead magnet nice and easy for you. So stay tuned. I'll talk to you later. It's your girl, Paula Marie, aka the Ebony Biz Diva, and this was the 2-minute Tuesday tip. Whew, did I get it all out in 2 minutes? I don't know. I don't know.